Do you ever think 2D cannot physically exist? When you think of it, for an object to be 2D, it must only has the X dimension and the Y dimension, not the Z dimension. So basically, if you really think about it, there's no object what only has X dimensions and Y dimensions. For example, let's say you look at a piece of paper. That paper still has thickness to it. Even if you look at the animation on your screen, what is playing now, that animation is also still 3D because the pictures, the medium it's taken in, the pixels I meant, is still 3D. So its medium is still 3D because pixels does have width. Now if we could think, how would it look like if 2D existed? Then if 2D really existed, then it will be only viewable from one side. For example, if you did take a 2D plate and place it in front of you, the plate would only be visible from the top, but as soon as you look from the sides, it will be invisible, unnoticeable. And let's say you tilted your head to look at the top and the sides, then only the top would be visible and the object will look smaller to you.